Guess what I'm decorating today? Stay tuned so you'll find out and you can see the final results. Hey my friends, welcome back to my channel. If you know me, you know I love decorating my coffee bar for the seasons, and it is the perfect time to decorate it for Valentine's Day. Now, most people probably don't decorate for Valentine's Day, but I love decorating my coffee bar for that occasion. So today, that is what I'm gonna do, and I want you to stay till the end so that you can see the final result. So let's go ahead and get started. I've got all of my Christmas decorations down and put away, and so my coffee bar has just been kind of bare. I have set stuff to the side because I knew I wanted to decorate it for Valentine's Day, but I've got everything wiped down and cleaned up. And last year I used this white Christmas tree for the Valentine coffee bar, and I really liked the way it looked. I thought it looked so pretty and so cute with all the pink and red. And at Christmas, if you saw my Christmas coffee bar video, you know that I put the tree in the center of the coffee bar and put it in front of the window, and I liked the way that looked as well. Unfortunately, the lights on this tree have gone out, so I had to string it, and the only strand of white lights I had was like 100, and this tree is a little 2-foot tree. So I had to put the bottom part or the rest of the lights down at the bottom around the stool, which is fine because I wanted to use the same cloth that I use. This is just fabric that I got from Walmart, and I used it as like a tree skirt around the lights and the stool to cover all that up. And I don't really do much in the way of decorating. I just have this little pom-pom garland that I got from Dollar Tree. I have it in pink and red and pink. And then I got this cute little metal truck and I put it on top, but it seemed kind of dark. So I have this kind of sprig stuff that I use on my Christmas tree out on my patio, and I put that on top and I like it. Now, here is kind of where things start going south. So I wanted to do sort of a tiered tray in this corner, but I didn't have one that was white. And so I thought about using this, but the box was too low. So I thought, okay, I'll set the box on top of this faux stacked books, but I didn't really like the way that looked. And then I realized, wait, the syrup bottles are going to be too tall, so that's not going to work either. So I had to take my Christmas tree apart, and I decided to put the Christmas tree in this corner again, which is the same way I had it last year for Valentine's Day. So I knew it would work, and it's fine. It's just kind of not what I had envisioned, but I think it turned out cute. But I put the hot chocolate sticks in this little plastic red container that I got from Dollar Tree, and then I had some little red kind of candies, and that is all I did to this corner besides this gnome and this little truck. But you'll see in a minute that I moved that as well. So now it's time to move over to my coffee maker's little space. I keep the basket here all year round, but I did scoot the coffee maker over to the left so that I could fit this cute little Valentine's Day tiered tray that I got from Target probably a couple years ago, and I'm just going to use it to kind of help decorate this coffee maker tray. And that's all I did to it. I put a couple of little things. This is where the gnome and that little truck come in, and then the two things that I pull from above my coffee maker in my cabinet. Sometimes I like to put caramel bits or peppermint in my coffee or hot chocolate, and so I wanted to bring those down and have them down next to the coffee maker. But the two things that I set in front of the tiered tray are marshmallows and the collagen powder that we use in our coffee. So that's really all I did to this coffee maker tray. I have to admit, it took me 2 or 3 days to get this coffee bar filmed because I couldn't get them to come together. So now I'm trying to work on the center part, and I had these two like wood slices. I don't really know what you call them. And I thought, you know what, I'll just use that in the center, and that's where I'll keep my syrup bottles and the hot chocolate and some cane sugar. I got these bottles from Home Goods, and I thought they were so pretty. I wanted to get 2 different ones, so I was glad that they had 2 different ones, but they were $3.99 each, and then they had an abundance of coffee syrup, like the sugar-free syrup. So I got the mocha and the salted caramel, and these were $4.99 each. And so I am going to put each one into the bottles, and I've never tasted this brand before, so I hope they're good. If you've tasted this brand before, let me know. I'm but I'm curious to see how it's going to be. Anyway, so now I'm going to work on this cabinet that's above my coffee maker. This is usually where I have my Go cups, and the plastic ones are for my iced coffee, and then these are going to be, I got these at Home Goods for $4.99, and they are going to be for my hot coffee. And I do have a few of those short little red ones left, so I'm keeping those up front and getting those situated with their lids. But that is all I'm doing to this cabinet, and it's really handy with my Go cups. So I do like that, that aspect of having this cabinet above my coffee maker. Now it's time to move on to my coffee drawer. You can see it's kind of getting a little empty, and Mardi Gras King Cake coffee is probably my favorite coffee. If you can get Community Coffee King Cake coffee, you can order it, go on Amazon, go on Community Coffee's website. Hey, Community Coffee, if you want to sponsor me, I will not be mad. You can do that. King Cake coffee is so good. You have to try it. It is my absolute favorite. But now it is time for the before and after. This is the coffee bar. I'm really pleased with the way it turned out. Like I said, it took me about 3 days of just standing there and staring at it and moving things around and trying to figure out what I wanted to do, and then realizing that's not going to work. Let's try something else. So anyway, I'm glad it's done. I'm very pleased with the way it turned out. I think it's so cute. I love this little Christmas tree. Even though I couldn't put it in the middle like I wanted to, I still think it looks really cute in this corner. But you'll have to let me know what you think about it. And I do like the center portion with my coffee syrups and the sugar and hot chocolate. I think it's really pretty. I am very pleased with the way it turned out. You'll have to let me know in the comments if you decorate for Valentine's Day, and if you do, what area of your home. But anyway, if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for coming by. And if you like this sort of content, all things homemaking, whether it's home decor like what I showed you today, or if it's shopping hauls or recipe ideas, dinner ideas, then I would love it if you would consider being a part of my YouTube family. Click the subscribe button and make sure all of you click that bell button. It's a notification button and it lets you know every time I upload a new video. I would hate for you to miss any of my content, but I would also like for you to give this video a big thumbs up because it does help me out with YouTube. Any sort of interaction that you have with my videos helps me out, and I really do appreciate it. leave me a comment below. And if you would like to see how I decorated my coffee bar last year, then make sure that you click on the box you see on the screen right now, and I'll see you next time. Bye.